Dear students, our today's question is a 24 kilogram child descends a 5 meter high slide and reaches the ground with a speed of 2.8 meter per second. How much energy was dissipated due to friction in the process? From the statement, we have the given data: mass of the child m equal 24 kilogram, height of the slide h equals 5 meter, and final velocity vf equals 2.8 meter per second. At the top of slide, the child has potential energy that is given by P dot E equals mgh, where m is mass of the child, g is gravitational acceleration, and h is height. Putting the values in this formula, we get P dot E equals 24 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 5. On solving this, we get P dot E equals 1177.2 joule. This is the initial energy that the child has at the highest point, means on the top of slide. When the child moves down, gravitational potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases, and at the lowest point, kinetic energy gained by the child is given as K dot E equals 1 by 2 mv square, as v is the final velocity. So this formula can also be written as K dot E equals 1 by 2 mvf square. By putting the values in this formula, we have K dot E equals 1 by 2 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 2.8 square. On solving this equation, we have kinetic energy equals 94.08 joule. This is energy at the top of slide, and this is energy at the bottom of slide. Energy dissipated equals initial energy minus final energy. As initial energy is potential energy and final is kinetic energy, so this equation becomes E dissipated equals potential energy minus kinetic energy. Putting the values in this equation, we get E dissipated equals 1177.2 minus 94.08. On solving this equation, we have energy dissipated 1083.12 joule. This is the energy dissipated. Part B, do a pie chart analysis of an all-inclusive system using an accurate percent of the pie to represent the amount of energy in the process. From the previous measured values, we have initial energy, that is potential energy, equals 1177.2 joule. Final kinetic energy is 94.08 joule, and dissipated energy equals 1083.12 joule. To calculate percentage kinetic energy, we have to divide kinetic energy by total energy, means potential energy, and multiply with 100%. So this can be written as percentage kinetic energy equals 94.08 divided by 1177.2 multiplied by 100%, and on solving this equation, we get percentage kinetic energy equals 8%. Similarly, percentage dissipated energy equals 1083.12 divided by 1177.2 multiplied by 100%. On solving this, we have percentage dissipated energy equals 92%. On the pie chart, the percentage kinetic energy and dissipated energy can be represented as this. This is the energy dissipated, that is 92%, and this is kinetic energy, that is 8%.